What's up guys, welcome to this video. On this video guys, we are going to be talking about the Conso app. So Conso app is a new app that has been paying people massively recently. On this video, I'm going to be breaking everything down for you, and I'm going to be making you understand how you can be able to earn from this app, how you can be able to earn USDT, and also how you can be able to position yourself for the airdrop that is oncoming. So they are actually powered by Telegram, and they actually took Telegram to the whole different level, because one of the important feature which I've been looking out for on Telegram, they actually brought it to life. So right now, let's get started with the video right now. So if you're here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please kindly do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And with that being said guys, let's now get started. So first of all, the link to start this is going to be dropped right there on the video description box or on the comment section. Just go ahead and copy the link, open it up in your browser, and you are going to be brought right here straight up. All right, so opening the website, this is what you are going to see. So right now you click on you see this message saying I'm sending you 1111 USDT, download Conso now, reward guarantee. So you go ahead and click on claim now. So immediately you click on claim now, you are going to be brought right here on your mobile play store, where you are going to be required to download the Conso app. So you go ahead and install the app. So as the app is installing, let me show you guys something really quick. So over here, guys, you can see this is what you need to take note of right here. As you are creating your own account, you need to use this as your referral code. This is UDP511. Use it as your referral code, because when you use it as your referral code, you actually earn 0.05 USDT and also earn some certain amount of Conso points. All right, so right now let's now get into it right now. Okay, so coming over here to our Play Store, and right now the installation is done. You go ahead and open the app. Upon opening the app, this is what you are going to be seeing. And like I told you guys earlier, this project is actually powered by Telegram itself. You can see it down here, it is powered by Telegram, and of course this actually took Telegram to the next level. I'll be showing you guys the reason right here. So for this, I'll be recommending you to actually go ahead and create a new Telegram account if you have a spare number. But if you do not have a spare number, you can continue with your current Telegram account. So right now guys, you can see it is best Telegram client, enhancing Telegram with unique features, earning opportunities. So over here, you can see channel content exploration, discover and enjoy channel highlights in one feed. This is the most important feature that I enjoy the most about this new update. So right now, position, because I'm about to show you how you can be able to earn USDT, and also how you can be able to earn while interacting on this app. So this app is basically just like Telegram, but the major difference is that not just the creators do not earn alone, even you as a normal user earn while using this app. All right, so right now you are going to be seeing the whole reason right now. Okay, so right now guys, you can see, let's go to the next one. Mini app parallels, seamlessly run and manage multiple mini app, and CPS, which is Conso points, earn points and convert them to on-chain tokens. All right, so this is when we have the airdrop right here. The points that you are going to be earning while interacting with this app are later going to be converted to on-chain tokens, which is of course tokens that you can sell and of course make money from it. You are going to be seeing how right now. Okay, so right now you go ahead and click on start Conso journey. Right now they are going to be asking you for a number. All right, so you go ahead and impute a number right here, the number of your Telegram. You go ahead and of course impute it right now. So if you have a new number, you go ahead and create a new Telegram and then proceed right now. But if you already have a Telegram account, you can proceed with it. So right now I will impute my number and continue immediately. So immediately you insert the number, they are going to be sending you a code to your Telegram. So over here right now, you can see the code that they just sent to me right now. So I will go ahead and of course copy this code like this. We'll go ahead and paste the code right there, and immediately we are now in. You can see they say start your Conso journey, explore, interact and earn. So I will go ahead and click on continue right now. You're gonna see we are going to be taking in straight up. Okay, so over here this is how it actually looks like, and this is of course this is like normal Telegram. You can see over here this is just like your usual Telegram. No, the difference is not much. The only difference right here is that you earn while using this app as your Telegram. All right, as your normal Telegram. So that's the only difference. You earn right here, but on your normal Telegram you do not earn, as you are a creator. So right now guys, let me show you how you basically earn right here. So clicking over here, this button down below, you click on it, you are going to be brought right here. You can see that my Conso point is 0, my pocket is 0. All right, so the Conso point actually shows the point that you accumulate while interacting on this Conso app, but your pocket actually shows your USDT earnings. All right, so basically the ways that you can actually earn from this app is to, first of all, scroll down a little bit. You are going to be seeing original share, you go ahead and activate your Conso journey right now. This is going to be earning you some Conso points. Click on claim. All right, so immediately you click on claim right now. In just a moment, you can see right now we have just earned 30 Conso points, and right now you can see immediately we have just earned 30 USDT. So right now, guys, you can see you have to actually perform some tasks right here in order for you to earn your Conso points. All right, like I said, this project is actually powered by Telegram, and with that reason alone, we believe that this is going to cook massively. So first of all, you open your app and you basically claim your first share. So to be able to keep earning your Conso points right here, you simply go ahead and complete some tasks which involve chatting on Telegram. You can see that by just scrolling, you actually earn Conso points. Let me show you right now. When you click on go right now, you are going to be brought right here where you basically scroll in order for you to be earning some Conso points. So looking over here right now, you can see this is 0, but as I start scrolling, you can see that I will start increasing my Conso points right here. You can see the more you scroll, the more Conso point that you earn, and the more Conso point that you earn, the higher your airdrop allocation is going to be when the airdrop actually begins. All right, so coming back right here, let me show you some other things right here. So over here we have play to earn. Over here on play to earn, you basically open up you play your usual Telegram mini app, and by just playing it, you actually earn more Conso points. Aside playing and launching all this Telegram mini app, you also go back like this to do some other stuff, like you chat on Telegram, you earn. Basically, this Conso app actually pays you for doing anything at all on Telegram. So scrolling down a little bit right here, you can see you also follow them on Twitter to actually earn some points. You also join the Telegram channel to earn some points. You also join the community, share the Conso on X, and do some other stuff right here to keep earning your Conso points. Your Conso point is going to be used to determine your airdrop allocation. So right now, scrolling down a little bit, you can see we have the daily check-in right here, where you are required to complete some few simple tasks in order for you to keep earning every single time. So this simply means that let me show you how this works over here. So this first one is where you claim every single day. All right, so this is where you get to claim every single day. By tapping on it, you claim it. This one is different, but scrolling down right here, this one is actually if you were able to gather up to 15 Conso points every single day through the through scroll to earn, playing game and stuff like that, you get to claim this one. And as you keep claiming it, that's how the reward keep increasing. And right now, for doing that for 3 consecutive days, you actually get to unlock certain rewards. So I'll be explaining that right now. So scrolling down right here, this is where it actually shows up in full. For example, when you chat and earn up to 5 Conso points, you get to claim certain amount of Conso points right here. The same thing applies right here. When you play to earn and earn up to 5 Conso points, this is where you get to come and claim it. And also when you scroll and earn up to 5 Conso points, this is where you need to come and scroll it. So over here, guys, this is where you need to connect your Tone wallet. So if you have Tonekeeper wallet or any other Tone based wallet, you can just come over here and connect it. All right, so this video is just like is more like an introductory video to this platform. So this is basically like Telegram. So another way that you can actually earn Conso points and also USDT is through refer to earn. Let's click on refer to earn right now. So clicking on refer to earn right now, you basically earn Conso points and you also earn USDT. At the initial of this project, when it was still very new, we earn 0.1 USDT for every single person that we refer, and for referring someone we also earn Conso points, and even the person that we refer also earn Conso points. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Before you can be able to refer someone and earn points on it, you need to make sure that you achieve at least 180 Conso points. All right, the reason why you need to achieve 180 Conso points is because until you achieve 180 Conso points, you are not going to be getting any referral code. You are only going to be, rewarded if the person use your referral code. So for me, making this video right now means I've achieved 180 Conso points and I have now a referral code, which I'm going to be dropping right there on the video description box in order for you to use to create your own account and also log in. And at the same time, you earn Conso points for using my referral link. Also, for for each person you refer into this platform, you earn 0.1 USDT, which is instantly withdrawable. So I'll be making a second video showing how I was able to withdraw from this. It is very simple, and I've seen a lot of people make their withdrawal. So going back right now, let me show you guys some other cool stuff right here. So over here, guys, we have this silver box, this gold box, and of course this diamond box. This simply means that for you to actually complete your streak for 3 days, you get to unlock this silver points, and the reward on this silver points is very, very big. And even this gold is even bigger, and diamond box actually has the highest reward. All right, so I believe you are understanding some stuffs around this Conso point. And over here we have creators. Over here on creators, how it all works is that you are going to be prompted to connect your Telegram channel. If you have a Telegram channel, you then connect it to their bot. You manage everything about the bot you are adding. You can adjust the permission that the bot has on your channel, and after connecting it, that is when you can then see your content show up right here on this place that we have scroll to end. That is when your content that you post on your channel will start showing up right here. Okay, so over here on follow, this is basically showing the content of the people that you are currently on their channel. That is on each channel that you have joined. It is going to be showing right here on follow. But on explore, it is going to be showing you channel content that are randomly picked from many or almost all Telegram channels that has actually added this Conso app as their admin on their channel. All right, so channel creators or those people that have channel actually understand this better. So basically, what you need to do right now, is to simply go ahead, create your account, start interacting, use it more than you use Telegram, because basically this Conso app rewards you for using it, and Telegram in a way does not reward you. So that's how it is. All right, so everything you do right here on Conso app actually earn you Conso points, and those Conso points are going to be used to determine your airdrop allocation in the future. All right, so I believe this video made a lot of sense. Please kindly do well to let me know your thoughts right there on the comment section, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do well to subscribe, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video showing you where I'm making the withdrawals and also on the subsequent updates that I'm going to be bringing to you guys. All right, so thank you for watching, guys, and I will talk to you on the next update dropping very, very soon.